Hi, my name is Isela. Today I'm going to talk about Linux Fundaments and Operative System Requirements. Introduction. Linux is an operating system capable of replacing another popular system such as Windows or Mac X with a free programs. That means that Linux has programs that are free and we can use it for tasks or different types of documents that we need, and we can use it perfectly for works that are not complicated. Description of Linux Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most widely used Linux-based operating systems today. That means that Ubuntu is an operating system that the people use now in this time. And this operating system has the same characteristics of Windows, and this operating system achieves tasks to perform, and you can improve with code. Also, you can write commands in the terminal for entering in the system. Now I am going to start with the commands. The first command is anthropos. This command examines the files and the descriptions of the manual. And this means that you can examine, for example, if you search one title, you can search it. Command touch. This command allows you to create an empty file. For example, if you need to create another type of file, you can create with this command, and is especially convenient and fast. This command is very fast when you create an empty file or something like that. Another different type of of file. The next command is mv. This command is used for two things: to move and rename. And you can separately both the same, but this command is only used for move the files or rename the files. For example, if you are in a file and you need to rename the file, you can use this command for rename that file, and you can move in another type of file or in another ubication that you have your files. The next command is mkdir, and this command is to users to create directories. For example, if you need to create one directory, you need to use this command. This command is one of the most popular commands that Ubuntu has in the terminal, and you can use it, and you can select only for the directories or enter. The next command is rm. This command is used to delete the files. For example, if you need to delete one file, you only write this command in the terminal, and you can delete the files or something with this command directly with the terminal. It's important to remember that if you trash one file, you cannot be recovered. Because if you use this command, you only delete the files. You can recover it or something like that. You can't. Another command is cat. This command displays the MSV file inside the directory. For example, if you are inside in a directory, you use this command for displays the contents that file has with the command cat. Also, this command relays the impossible to see the content of the file. For example, if you need to see the content of the file, you can use this command for see the information or the documents or something like that. Another command is cd, and this command allows to change the directory. For example, if you are in the directory of music, you can change, for example, the directory of documents, or in the desktop, you can use this command, and you need to use a route for this command, and you need to indicate that you are inside that directory with this command. The command sudo. This command is very popular in Linux and Ubuntu, because if you are using the terminal, you need to access with this command. This command is very important to remember, and also this command execute the restrictions, or you can execute the commands. This command helps you a lot when you are using the terminal, and if you need to access to another user. For example, if you are in your desktop and you need to access to another user, you can only put sudo and access to the other users directories or the documents that the other user has. And another command popular in Ubuntu Linux is sudo su. This command is used to obtain the root permissions. For example, if you need the root permissions, you only need to write sudo su, and with this command you allow to the root access to that permissions that the administrative operations work with this system. The command ls. This command is also very popular in Linux, because this command is used to see the files. For example, if I am in the directory of documents, I can use this command for see the files that directory has, and show me the files and the directories that has this file, and this command includes the hidden files and the directories that I want to find. Another command is find. This command facilitates the task or finding a file. For example, if I will search a file with the title Ubuntu. This command facilitates me to search it when I have many files in the directories or in the desktop. This command is to use to finding that type of files or directories. Another command is cp. This command is used to copy a file. For example, if I need to copy one file and I want to delete another one, I can use this command for copy the file in a directory or in the desktop. This command is for that, and it facilitates me the use of that. Conclusion. This operating system is characteristic by it because it's friendly and you can use many tools and you can work in with an organization. Also, there are some advantages for this operating system that is free. You can protect your privacy. It's free for apps. It's very friendly. It's used to home automatization. You can find a lot of games. It's free to upgrades, and you can perform in your PC. And this command has the obligation to communicate it to the developer or any entity. That's it.